Hello students, today I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to play math games online. The thing you want to do is go ahead and have your Google website open and go ahead and type in math games, then select enter. Then you scroll down to number 2 where it says math games, free games, and apps. The first thing you do when you go onto the website is this. Welcome to Math Games, the most trusted source for free math game and skill practice online. Simply select a grade, skill, or game to get started in your home or classroom. It's pretty simple. The first thing you do is select your grade, then select the type of game you want to play and the subject you want to learn about. So let's go ahead and select grade and save it. As you can see here, it gives you the options of the grades. We have pre-kindergarten, kindergarten, grade 1st, grade 2nd, grade 3rd, grade 4th, grade 5th, grade 6th, grade 7th, and grade 8. Since we're first grade class, we're going to go ahead and select on grade 1. As you can see on here, it gives you the type of math and subject that you should do, or you want to do. If you're having a hard time trying to understand geometry, go ahead and select geometry. We have geometry, number patterns, addition, comparison, fractions, measurement, number properties, time, mixed equations, counting, subtraction, and graphing. This tool helps students practice their knowledge. Students will be able to play math games, they will be able to develop and improve their skills without losing their motivation. Since we're working on addition right now in class, let's go ahead and select on addition. And let's do add tens. So the question is just very simple. It's going to ask you what's 30 plus 30. Of course, all the questions are going to be different. So the answer would be 60 for this one. Once you go ahead and select answer, and then it's going to tell you if you got it correct or incorrect. So we got it correct, and that's all you do to practice. Then, we go to games up here on top. On here, it's a little different. You can choose the game and not the actual grade. Go ahead and choose whatever you want to do, whatever catches your attention. This website started with a single feature game. They expanded, and they also have gotten many awards, such as Imagine Kids and #1 most popular new tool in 2015. By using this resource, it allows the students to retain their knowledge and understanding of the topic. You can also go ahead and create an account up here where it says join, and now it's going to ask you for a username and password, and that's how you create your account. And yeah, that's pretty much it about this website. You go to grades, you choose your grade, then you choose what skill you want to do, addition, algebra, comparison, counting, decimals, division, estimation, fraction, geometry, graphing, measurement, mixed equations, menu, multiplication, number properties, number patterns, positions, ratios, stats, subtraction, and time. And the best part about this is you can use it on your computer, on your laptop, on your iPad, on your cell phone, whatever you have. Also, there's over 1,200 games that you can use to create and improve your math skills. So yeah, that's going to be all. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me in classroom.